Hey, John Hardison here with you. Let's take a look at an example lesson plan that we used for Flipgrid here recently. So in a multicultural class, we were studying Lorraine Hansberry's A Raisin in the Sun. We put students in teams heterogeneously, and then we asked them to go into our learning management system, which is Canvas. And then, of course, they would read these directions. These directions ask them to go to the forced copy of a Google document where they can actually share and jump on this same document. So for example, if they clicked here, they would go to this document. Now this document gives the students 10 topics. However, we only assign one topic per team. And we told the students very seriously, all you have to do is to get your answer to your assigned prompt perfectly done. And we walk them through that as this right here is about to show. So for example, if this team right here, team number one got topic number one, they of course would be studying this topic. We would be working with them on getting all of that answer correct, as well as providing textual evidence. As they go on down through this graphic organizer, it's going to walk them through everything they need to do. So if they just follow each step, it will tell them how to get to the next step. Obviously they provide all their notes and textual evidence here. However, notice this, we have checkpoints after each step, and the checkpoint means the teacher must sign off so that they are of course going to be accurate there, ready for the next step, and we're just kind of guiding them through that because again we want each team to have their answer done almost perfectly. And as you can see, they go on down through the steps and start to construct their answers to their assigned prompts. And then ultimately down here you'll see after they get through checkpoint 2 and get to step 3, they're going to start writing a creative script that answers or sheds light on their assigned problems in a different creative way. And I'll show that just a little bit more here in a minute. And then of course they go all the way through checkpoint 3, and step 4 is to record on Flipgrid. Now for their assigned prompt, each team is to first on Flipgrid answer it. This may take a minute, it may take a minute and a half. And then right after that we ask them just to take just a second and pause, and then they flow into their assigned, or actually their chosen creative component of their answer. So if I go back here, they could go back to their learning management system and they have a choice board. And of course we gave them these 10 things that they could choose from that would help them shed some light on their answers. And obviously if they wanted to do something else, yeah, we would let them do that, but we gave them a good selection right here of these 10 things. And then this video walks them through how you can do each of these 10 things. So ultimately when they spent about 3 days working on their answers and diving back into the literature, they came right here and they posted all of their assignments. And as you go through, you will see teams that did it perfectly. Some were very, very close, but because of our Google Doc and our checkpoints, they were all accurate. They were all accurate, and we double checked them. You'll see where I'm headed with this in just a minute. But again, there they are. We'll just pick one team real quickly. This team here.
All right, so one of our topic is Ruth gonna regret aborting this baby? And
so obviously here they start talking about a character named Ruth who has a decision to make during this play, and they for the next minute or so will answer their assigned prompt, and then they'll go into their creative component, which I think is right around here, and it's a rap that was written and Ty here is performing it.
I gotta choose if the choice is right. Yeah, I gotta choose if the choice is right. Times are hard and things will only get harder. Born this baby, not so broken.
So just an example of how they answer the prompt as a team, and then they have creatively come up with a script and something they have chosen to shed some more light on that answer. So this is educational, definitely, and of course it's also entertaining. Students absolutely love this. Now where we were headed with that is after they all were done, and that took a little while, we asked them to go back to the learning management system, which is Canvas, and they went to another assignment, and this is a Raisin in the Sun Flipgrid mixtapes. And of course, if you know about Flipgrid, you can make mixtapes, which kind of helps you organize some of your best. So what we did is we put all of the topic number ones right here in this mixtape, topic 2, 3, 4, so on and so on and so on. And we asked the students, we said, please go to each one of these topics, and we want you to stop and look at least one of these videos from each of these topics, because we know the answers are going to be accurate, and we want you to listen to those, and that way you're exposed to all 10 of these assigned prompts. And then we did ask them to pick out your favorite 2 and comment on those. We said, of course, if you want to comment on more, go ahead and do that. That'd be great. So for example, if I click on topic number 1 mixtape, it goes right here. And we have 3 videos or 3 teams that focused on topic number 1. And then I go, let's just choose number 2. Here we are, we got 2 teams right there. And so some teams or some topics had 2 or 3 or 4, but they all had it covered. And because of, again, our checkpoints on this Google Doc, we made sure they were accurate. So we were basically flipping the classroom back to them, making them the teachers, and it was definitely very, very powerful. So I hope this has kind of helped you understand how we definitely put a lot of detail into this assignment. If I remember correctly, it was about a 5-day assignment. Now we're in 50-minute class periods, so we did get all of this done in about 5 days, and the students, they liked it. They got a lot from it. They felt like it helped them understand the assignment, the play that we were studying. And then a couple of days after this, the next week, we actually had them do one more last assignment just to kind of show you how we wrapped it all up. And we gave them some discussion themes from A Raisin in the Sun, just scrolling through here. These related to them personally, they related back to the play, they related to historical and current events. So we were really trying to cap off the study of this play by bringing it to life and relating to so much more. So after we had done Flipgrid, we went to this prepared by brainstorming individually over these themes, and then we did a 1 class period fishbowl discussion, and we did a fishbowl discussion with a hot seat. If you want to know more about that, please just find me on Twitter at Hardison1, and I hope this has been helpful. All right, y'all. Thank you.